was diagnosed with motor neuron a bit over 12 months ago now. And so when you're diagnosed with it, they tell you you've got 1 to 5 years to live. And you can look forward to, you're losing the control of your limbs, being peg-fed, having trouble swallowing, like choking on your own saliva, and having gone on machines. So, there is no future. So I came up here hoping for a miracle, or at least some easing of my problem. Well, after a 2-hour session with Ken, I had a future again. And a future that was just like everybody has, like I can look forward to their grandchildren growing up. And just amazing. So pleased that Ken has come into our lives. So when I came in, my right arm was dead, really. I couldn't move it, and very far, and my hand, I couldn't move my hand, had no fine motor skills at all. My breathing was laboured at times. I was all hunched up and depressed, and swallowing, like I had to have 2 pillows at night so I wouldn't choke on my saliva when I was asleep, and worrying about swallowing something that I would choke, and how, like, Tim was shown how to help me if I was choking, and help me with my breathing, and that's just gone. That's just not there in the equation whatsoever.
It's very surprising for the effort that Kerryn's put in to do it. It's very basic movement. It's pure movement, I suppose, and you probably come in and you see a fully set up gym and you think, oh, it's about lifting weights. It's using those machines just to get the limbs, like getting full movement out of them. It's quite unbelievable to watch what they do. So, to see, the improvement in this 4 weeks, that, as Kerryn said, you can, go home and cuddle the grandkids, whereas before, doing it one-handed wasn't the same. So, look, it's a great future for her. So, I'm just glad to be part of coming up with her and doing it. And look, they really are a great group of people.
Oh, I feel so much younger. I feel lighter. I feel like my arm now belongs to me again, and like my breathing, my swallowing, and that is just normal. It's just amazing, totally amazing. Like you can actually live a life with this, and a good life, and just seek alternative things. And this isn't a crazy alternative thing. There's no drugs that go into your body. There's no heavy weights that are going to hurt you. There's no needling. It's just all pure. You get to know your body, and just go out there and don't give up, like I did until I found Ken and Nikki and Riley.
Now we can just go back to, hopefully our normal lives, She may not get back to being 100%, but, it's a case of keeping up the movement in the limbs, and, that is going to require a little bit of work. But if she keeps doing that, I can just see the improvement, coming back to, as close to normal as possible.
I think anybody who has the opportunity to come up here and work with these people, just grab it. And it's just, from the moment you walk in, you just know there's a better you out there. And that was the mantra, like there is a better version of me out there, and I've certainly found that now. And I just hope that these guys get the recognition that they so deserve. And I can't say enough to thank them. I don't think I'm going to be a burden at all now. I'll be back to being me again, which is just so liberating.